Maitho mothe mekwerekeirio kuri ministry ya kigina umuthi hindi ya kurekereria bajeti ya mwaka uyu na mwaka wa 2021 na kuria muingi ugwetereire na kinyi kuigwa kana indo iria marerigagirira kugwithio igoti ni cia gwithio ona gutwika undu uyu ni wahutitio ni mutongoria wa bururi. Umuthi uhoro wa magoti ndunakorwo na mugaruruku maingi ona gutwika kuri na aria mongereirwo murigo wa kuriha igoti nangi manyihirio murigo uyu.
I propose to introduce a voluntary disclosure program to allow Kenyans who in the last 5 years may have inadvertently made omissions in their tax returns to voluntarily disclose such omission and pay tax due.
Ene gari aria mageraga barabara-ini rungu rwa mutaratara wa toro ni rigoti ria gari ni maririhaga igoti gukuna waria mendagiria indo nenda-ini makiongerera igoti ria gicunje kimwe turuma 5 hari igana.
In order to ensure all taxpayers contribute to the construction and maintenance of our infrastructure, I have proposed to introduce a minimum tax that will be payable by all companies at the rate of 1% of their gross turnover.
Sekta ya uthondeki wa indo ngurani ni mwe wa sekta iri ikoragwo itugi-ini inya cia mutongoria wa bururi na kuria sekta ino irongoreirio makiria hari bajeti-ini ya umuthi itanya-ini ria kugitira sekta ino na kuria sekta ta cia guthondeka cuma na uthondeki wa indo cia thitima kwirikanite makiingiria indo kuma nja wa bururi maririhagira igoti iria gicunje kia 35 hari igana.
I have therefore proposed to exempt from both the import declaration fee and railway development levy on all goods, including materials, supplies, equipment, machinery, and motor vehicles imported for official use by the Kenya Defence Forces and the National Police Service.
Nacio sekta cia uthondeki wa maratathi hundu mwe na letha maririhagira gicunje kia 25 hari igana hindi iria maraingiria indo cia uthondeki guku bururi-ini na uo ni kugitira biacara iria ikuruhanagio na indo ici undu umwe na kugacirithia utonga wa bururi.
With the fast advancement in technology, many business transactions are increasingly being carried out through digital platforms. In some cases, due to the nature of the transaction, it is difficult to effectively tax the income derived through such platforms.
Unagukiria uguo kuringana na watho wa igoti wa gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro aria mathondekaga thimu na fecia ciana cia kiriu undu umwe na aria matumaga nguo matiririhaga igoti undu uria ugukuria uthondeki wa indo ici guku bururi-ini na oho kurehe mieke ya mawira. Ciumia nini hituku mutongoria wa bururi ni anyihiirie wanjiko igoti aria ni hamwe na andu aria monaga mushara wa thi wa 24,000 undu umwe na kunyihia igoti iria indo iria mundu aragura itanya-ini ria guteithiriria andu kuhurana na king'uki gia COVID-19.
Statistical annex of the budget statement for the financial year 2020-21. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV getwa Waithira wa Kihara.